All right, guys, Candace and I have actually made it to Berlin half day, because, you know, we spent a lot of time resting and stuff. And then I went on a quick sojourn for a photo shoot. She went to get the mall. And now we're heading to get our favorite thing in Berlin, some doner. So we're about to hop on a bird. And yeah, talk to you guys soon. So we found our way to Mustafa's, and we were like, what? It's closed? But apparently they've gotten so big they had to move to an actual shop. So it was over there in this little corner, and now it's over here, and they have their own little actual restaurant now. So you set up some doner?
Oh, exactly. The line's not too long, so.
The last time we came, we made the mistake of coming during the day, and I think we waited like an hour and a half to get like our donors.
Like 2.5 hours.
2.5 hours. We're used to coming at night after the actual Congress ends, so there's like almost no line. But we're hungry now, so it's time for some doner. All right, this is the big unveil for Candace's veggie.
Oh my God.
Look at that. Candace said she has very little willpower, so she was trying to wait as best she can to get that reveal. And now she's going to become a monster.
So big.